Hello everyone and welcome to my crochet tutorial. Today I'm gonna show you how to make this heart keychain or bling bling. This is really cute and easy to make, guys. So here is our materials needed: yarn, any sizes will do, and the crochet hook and this pair of scissors and a yarn needle. Let's begin. Make a magic ring and then chain 4. Including the first one is 4, and then make 4 treble crochet. 1, 2, 3, yarn over twice and pull through first 2 loops, another 2 loops, and last 2 loops. One more treble crochet, pull over 2 loops, another 2 last loops, and one more treble crochet, yarn over twice, insert the hook, pull through 2 loops 3 times. Tighten a little bit of your magic ring for you to make it easier. Then make 4 double crochet. 1, yarn over, insert the hook, pull the yarn and pull through 2 loops, another 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops and another 2 loops until you reach the 4 double crochet needed. Then chain 1 and 1 treble crochet, chain 1 again, then make 4 double crochet. 3, 1 last double crochet, and then make 4 treble crochet. 1 and then 2 treble crochet, 3 and 4 treble crochet, then chain 2 and slip stitch. Tighten up your beginning yarn at the back. That's from the magic ring. And then go back and single crochet to the next 3 chains. 1, 2, and 3. Then make 3 single crochet in the same stitch. 1, 2, and 3. And then do single crochet 7 times in the next 7 chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Then make single crochet in the same stitch, 2 and 3. Then another 7 crochet in the other side in the next 7 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Then make another 3 single crochet in the same stitch, 2 and 3. Then make single crochet in the next 2 chain and slip stitch in the last chain. You can cut your yarn and fasten your work, and you're done with the first side of your heart. And make another one of it. So here we are done with our another side of the heart. So let's attach it back to back and make a slip stitch to attach your 2 hearts together like that, as shown. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. And slip stitch in the same stitch as you did earlier. This is really tricky for the beginning, but you'll overcome it. Slip stitch. As you go along, you just have to slip stitch the edge of your heart, just as shown there on the video. Both sides are the same. Just do the slip stitch side by side. So after you're done halfway, you have to put the polyester inside your mini heart. Make sure don't stuff it too much. Continue closing both sides of your heart. Slip stitch your yarn in the middle where you started earlier, and you're almost done. Use your yarn needle to level the polyester inside, of course, and then to fasten up your yarn end. I have here the beads with a big hole in it, so it's easy for me to insert the yarn, the keychain holder. So if you have that will be better, but if you don't have it, I think you should find something that is bigger to insert that handle or holder. And we're almost done in there. Now let's make a tassel. So this is how I make my tassels for the heart. And if you have any idea how to make a tassel the easiest way, you can do that too. And here is our newly made heart keychain. Bling bling. Slash slash slash. Look how cute it is. And it's really easy and fast. You guys can learn it very fast too. Thank you for watching.